If you're part of Amazon Influencers program and your clicks went down recently, I'm talking about in last 3 to 4 weeks specifically. As you probably already know, Amazon is testing the program, where to make our video placements and etc. So that's why you see this turbulence in the first place. However, there is actually a few things you can do, especially if you don't see your videos anywhere on the shopping pages on Amazon. So a lot of our videos were on the bottom of the page before. Now obviously they also appear on top where the product pictures are close to the other main video. But if you don't actually see your videos anywhere, especially those videos that were performing good before, let's say your top 20 to 40 videos that you were always getting views on them. Now before I tell you this method that can save your video, please do not post another same video of the same product, because just copying your videos and reposting them as a new video in order to get extra views on these videos, clicks, sales and etc. is not allowed on Amazon. So definitely don't do that. But now let's see how we can fix the videos to get the clicks and views back again. First thing you can do is actually tag your video to different ASIN. So yes, it will be technically same product, but you could obviously see this is a different posting, aka this is also different ASIN of the product, simply due to the amount of ratings. So if your video is completely dead, aka Amazon doesn't show it anywhere, then you can try this method and Amazon will process this video, and even though it's not gonna work every single time, but sometimes this video will appear on the product page, obviously with different item ASIN, so your video could wake up again. Now second thing you can do is actually change slightly the title of the video. Again, only if you don't see your video anywhere. So by changing the title slightly, Amazon will process this video again and maybe post it on the product pages. Obviously allow like 2 to 3 days to process it. Third thing you can do is actually to change the thumbnail of the video, make the thumbnail really pop, and this again will trigger the processing. So at very least you're giving your video another shot. And finally, if you already try all 3 methods and they don't work, if you still have this item at home, maybe try to record brand new video with it. Obviously much better video. You would also want to make this video slightly different from the other one, and then upload this video and perhaps remove the dead one. So look, until Amazon is gonna figure this system out and come back to showing our videos at least at the same level, I hope these tips will help you, and if you want to grow even more, click this video right here, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers!